Guys, daily routine for fluid retention. Something as simple as giving ourselves a little massage for 5 minutes with our legs against a wall. Why? It's to boost gravity, venous return, and help with circulatory and lymphatic drainage. Once we've massaged our legs with care for 5 minutes, using a funnel technique and alternating hands, let's do a 3-phase contraction exercise. We stretch our legs, toes towards us, and contract our quadriceps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We bend our knees, activate calves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lower down and repeat this sequence for at least 5.
Diagnoses.
Minutes. Want to see a longer video on fluid retention? Click below. To healing and beyond.